I want to tell you a little bit about the market and what you're going to find as you go out and you start having conversations, okay? So there's a couple different types of businesses out there inside of the hair system world. First off, you have the distributors and the producers of the hair systems, like LaVivid, for example. They produce and they distribute or they sell hair systems directly to you. Now, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need to find a partner, a stylist, a hairstylist that can work with the hair system. They can prepare your head, your scalp. They can prepare the hair system. They can attach it and they can cut in your units. That is one option that you have. These are specially trained people. And generally, you'll find that there's a couple different offerings that they have. One is a monthly kind of hair subscription club type membership where you pay a monthly fee and they'll take care of a pre-arranged service for you. Now, this is something that may be good for you if you want a long-term relationship and a long-time partner. There's also more a la carte services, people who you can bring your hair system to. You can say, hey, I bought this hair system online. I would like to have it cut in. I would like to have it installed. And they will do that for you. You can say, hey, I need a reinstallation of my hair system right now. Could you do that? How much would that be? So there's really these two models, business models, if you will. There's the monthly subscription package model, and then there's the kind of a la carte model over here, which you get to kind of say, hey, I need help with this one thing right here, and I'll pay you for it. Now, one of the most important things that you can do if you decide to partner with a hairstylist, especially trained in hair systems, is finding someone that has the heart of a teacher. There is individuals out there that understand the pain of hair loss, and ultimately they want to help you on your journey to feeling and looking better. And they will help teach you some of the skills like I am teaching you right now through this e-course. There are others out there that don't have that interest in mind. They just want to make some money, and that's okay too. But what I really recommend, if you need a little extra help, is you find someone that has the heart of a teacher. Now, you're probably saying, Jake, how do I find someone that has the heart of a teacher? That's a great question. So what I like to do as I'm searching for individuals that have a heart of a teacher is I like to find the places that will offer these services, and I like to call them up directly. And I like to tell them my situation. I'll say, hey, my name is Jake. I have a hair system here that I would like installed. I'm really looking to learn more about this right here. Do you kind of teach as you go through this process? Like, how do you feel about that? Some will not really offer to teach you. In fact, they may be a little bit more protective over information. Others may try to help you on your journey. Generally, having a conversation with someone and finding out that you guys connect is a great start. If you connect with someone, they're more likely to help you on your journey. So this is something that you have to watch out for in this. Now, in this section of the ebook, we're also going to talk about another option that you have if you choose to not deal with a hairstylist at all, and that's talking about LaVivid's pre-cut hair system service, which is where they will actually take your hair system that you buy and you can say, hey, I want this exact hairstyle right here. I want to look like Justin Bieber at this moment with his hairstyle. You send them pictures, you send them some stuff, which we'll talk about in another section, and they'll cut it down exactly the way that you want it. So that is another option for you, although it is a bit more advanced and something that you will have to consider. So all in all, this section is to tell you that LaVivid is a great company that cares about customer service, that sources their hair ethically, and is going to give you a great product and be there for you. They're going to be there for you through email and through phone messages. So no matter whatever you're going through, if you need a little bit of help beyond this e-course, you can of course reach directly out to them, and they're going to be there within a phone call or within an email back to you in the next 24 hours.